welcome to OYZ. In this adventure we test our Honda monkey bikes on England's most dangerous roads, with Mark Shaw, Monkey Dick's Adventures, and Jason Crow, an Isle of Man TT sidecar racer.
Yes, chum.
Monkey Revolution.
Yes, the boys.
We met in Pooley Bridge and made our way to the first dangerous road of the day, Howtown Pass. Before us was 3 steep hairpin bends in quick succession. Despite being the shortest pass of the day, it is still incredibly challenging and should be avoided by learners or inexperienced drivers. The spectacular view of Ullswater from this road is unlike any other. We turned around at the church to go back down the pass. Finally, Giles pulled over, leaving our path clear to the Lake District's highest pass, Kirkstone. Kirkstone was no challenge for the nimble Honda Monkey, and the team were enjoying putting them to the test up this famous route.
Unsurprisingly, the Giggle was no match for the monkeys, and I was dusted within seconds.
We pulled in at the top to wait for Ramsey and were joined by more members of the Monkey Revolution.
Big. Bro, do you see the little wheelie pop? Yeah. The little wheelie pop. Brad, show Rocket. Jason calls a little wheelie pop. Howtown.
After checking the footage, we got back on our bikes to ride the rest of Kirkstone Road to Ambleside. The Lake District is a top destination for any motorcycle enthusiast, with some of the UK's most scenic and challenging passes found here. All we had left were the two most dangerous roads in England, Rhynose and Hardknott Pass. The strong smell of clutch and the build-up of traffic was a sign that yet another vehicle had fallen victim to this challenging ascent. This road is a genuine nightmare for recovery companies. Many refuse or charge a higher rate for call-outs in this area. A breakdown here can quickly make this route impassable for four-wheeled road users. Hardknott and Rhynose Pass are so dangerous that they get closed in the winter months. Attempting these roads in adverse weather conditions would likely lead to a hefty call-out fee and a trip to the body shop. The camera crew made it past the clutchless Fiesta, and before we knew it, the drone was in the air, signalling our time to let it rip.
We away.
This valley was carved out by a glacier 20,000 years ago. I will never forget the sound of 10 Yoshimura exhaust pipes humming in tune.
Wait for the team. "1,800 years ago, Medio Bogdan was built by Romans to defend the road to Ravenglass. It was also a safe place to stop before crossing Hardknott. This fort protected Roman silver and lead mining interests in the area. The residents of this fort were once soldiers from across the empire, clad in steel armour. Now they are woolly and have 4 legs. An interesting turn of historical events is that these sheep were introduced to the UK by Vikings. We headed back the way we came, up England's steepest road. Jason's ferry left in 3 hours, and he still had to get all the way to Liverpool. The ride was spectacular, but the highlight for me was meeting all the amazing people from the Monkey Revolution and reuniting with our friends Monkey Dix and Mark Shaw.
This road's extreme 1 in 3 gradient was proving to be a challenge for the Giggle. I decided to give it the 1 extra horsepower it needed to conquer this crazy road.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other motorcycle content. Thanks for watching Outside Your Zone.